Let me introduce my name. My name is Anggal Krisya. Here I will explain about my reading exercise. Where my reading questions are in the from narrative text. Di sini kita bisa lihat judul dari short story saya yaitu The Seven Ravens. Dari soal reading exercise saya yaitu berjumlah ada 10 nomor, di mana soal pertama yaitu menjelaskan tentang what is the title of the text, yang kedua how many brothers from the king's son, yang ketiga who caused the seven king's sons to be a rivers, and then what the type of text is the above text, dan yang terakhir who is the seven ravens. Ya, langsung saja guys, saya akan retell kembali my short story yaitu yang berjudul The Seven Ravens. There was once a man who had 7 sons and let all one daughter, although the little girl was very pretty. She was so big and small that they thought she could not live, but they said she should at once be christened. So the father sent one of his sons in haste to the spring to get some water, but the other 6 ran with him. Each wanted to be first at drawing the water, and so they were in such a hurry that all let their victors fall into the well. And they stood very foolishly looking at one another and did not know what to do, for none dared go home. In the meantime, the father was uneasy and could not tell what made the man stay so long. Di sini saya akan menceritakan secara singkat saja, yaitu saya tidak bisa menjelaskannya panjang lebar. Langsung saja saya akan pindah ke my lesson plan. Next, I will explain about my lesson plans. My lesson plans are related to reading comprehension, and the material is about narrative text. So, I will discuss about learning material. A short story called The Seven Ravens, where student activity will test their reading ability, and then the student work on the questions from the short story. So much from me. Kalian bisa lihat di lesson plan saya di sini, yaitu bagiannya ada core competence, basic competence and competence achievement indicators, and then learning objectives, learning materials, the seven learning materials, yaitu di sini approach, scientific approach, model discovery learning, method, discussion, questionnaire, and answer. Learning activities, the first meeting, preliminary, core activities, and then closing. Learning outcomes, assessment guidelines, rated X aspect, pronunciation, grammar, performance, and comprehension. Oke, I think enough for me. Saya rasa cukup dari penjelasan saya yang secara singkat. Mohon dan kurangnya dimaafkan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.